Is 4,447 a prime number? Let's double check. First, we gotta figure out the square root of the number. That's approximately 66.685. And what we do is we divide 4,447 by prime numbers that are less than or equal to 66. So we start up at 2 and go up to 61, because 61 is the largest prime number that is less than or equal to 66. So you gotta divide it by these numbers and figure out if it's prime. I'll be right back when I figure that out. Alright, we just checked, and it doesn't seem to be divisible by any of these prime numbers. So is 4,447 prime? Yes, it is. And we just proved it using this square root method. And the reason why we're going up to its square root is because beyond that point, the numbers will basically get switched around. Because the square root multiplied by itself will give you the number. Alright, now let's try 519. See if it works on this number. So what we do is find the square root of it, which is about 22.78. And we gotta figure out if it's divisible by any numbers that are less than or equal to 22. And these numbers should be prime. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Let's figure out if it's divisible by any of those numbers. I'll be right back when I find that out. So I just figured it out. It seems to be divisible by one of these numbers. Well, it's obviously not divisible by 2 and 5, but we can check 3, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19, but those don't work. Except for one, that being 3. It's divisible by 3. Just add up the digits to get 15, and 15 is divisible by 3, obviously. So that means this is divisible by 13 as well. 3. It's not divisible by 13. It's almost divisible by 13. It's very close to being divisible by 13, because it's literally one less than 520, which is divisible by 13. So, because it's divisible by 3, dividing this number by 3 gives you 173, and that's prime. So, is 519 prime? No, it's not. So it doesn't work on this number. But there are other numbers that are prime. But putting a 5 at the beginning of this number, duplicating this number, now it's prime. 5,519 is prime. We just made it prime. Try it with another number. Try it on 4,003. See if you can figure out if this number is prime using the method.